Good afternoon, student. Today our chapter, our environmental problem, and the topic, major causes of ecosystem destruction. Ecosystem is the natural process. It is destructed by the various factors. Factors number one is the population growth. With the increase of the population, has resulted in increased demand of the food and shelter. This is why the scarcity of food is there. For the demand of the food, forests and valleys converted into agricultural land. So decreased forest cover, loss of flora and fauna, change the climatic conditions. Number B, the shortage of water. Again, the population also increase the demand of water, which is fulfilled by pumping up of groundwater. This has led to reduction in the level of underground water levels. Number C is the waste generation. More population means more production of waste, and that is the greater in the land degradation. Now the point number 2 is urbanization. Urbanization is a process of movement or migration of population from urban area, rural area to urban area. So for the new settlement of the urban area, the following environmental degradation has been sensed. A, the loss of habitat. B, the development of slums, especially for the poor pupils. C, poor sanitation leading health problem. And the D, unemployment lead to poverty and illiteracy. These all the factors are the result of urbanizations. Now number 3 is industrializations. Industrialization, actually, that modern society, industries is one of the major factor. So the most of the industries pollute water bodies because the wastewater of industries finally discharge into nearby water bodies, either in the pond or lakes or river and sometimes seas. This pollution deflate or degrade the aquatic ecosystem. Now the global warming. Due to industrialization, the excess amount of carbon dioxide, mainly carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and other gaseous emissions increase global temperature because carbon dioxide acts as a heat balancer. So increase the global temperature means it is known as global warming. Next one is the transportation. The increase in the transport result in depleting of fossil fuels because the transportation require fossil fuels like diesel, petrol, coal. These are non-renewable resources. The excessive use of these, it is depleted rapidly. The next, the disease also caused due to the transportation because the emission gas of transportation, the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, it also responsive to various kind of, especially the respiratory diseases. Number 5 is the mining. The mining is usually done to extract minerals wealth from underground, but in the process, ecosystem suffers various mining activities, release harmful chemicals like the mercury, lead, arsenic that lead into finally decrease the water bodies. And the number 6 is the construction of the dam. Construction of the large dam also a cause of a problem of ecosystem destructions. In India, it is said that 16 million people become sufferer because of the construction of dam in the past 40 years. Narmada Bachao Andolon was a social movement against the building of dam, the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada. So due to the construction of the dam, though it has some positive impact, but some negative impacts also there. Like it also damages the pisciculture, natural ecosystem, and spread diseases of this. Now, the worksheet, to follow the questions, state the negative impact of overpopulation of agricultural land. Number 2, what is urbanization? State any two impacts of urbanization on the environment. Number 3, state any two environmental impacts of burning fossil fuels. And number 4, write a short note on Narmada Bachao Andolon. Thank you.